If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Vivek and I'm a financially independent algo trader. This channel is all about building a community of algo traders. We discuss everything about algo trading using Python, building and backtesting trading strategies, market updates, and much more. Please do visit our community website, FabTrader.in. Also do check out my other YouTube channel, FabWealth, where I talk about my own financial independence journey and share tools, methods, and strategies that help me achieve my financial freedom. Thank you. Previously, I had uploaded this video about downloading NSE data from the new NSE website using Python. If you haven't watched this video, please do so. You might ask, there are already a number of Python packages that download NSE data, and do we really need another one? Right, well, there is a real need for it. I'll explain why. NSE, as you know, constantly update their website, and due to this, the API endpoints keep changing. However, most of the Python packages that you see on GitHub don't keep up with these updates. So either most of the packages stopped working already or do not have all the functionalities that we normally look for. And that's the reason I thought I'll put this utility together. As part of my commitment towards this community, I'm not only going to keep the script updated with any changes to the NSE website, but I'll also keep enhancing it to include other new things in future. To that effect, in my earlier video, I had asked if you would like to see any additional functionalities added to this utility. One of our subscribers, Prasad, had commented and suggested a few items. So Prasad, this video is for you. I will start rolling out those new items that you asked for one by one. In this video, I'll cover corporate announcements. I've updated the script to download corporate announcements from NSE website, and I'll quickly walk you through the updates. This is the corporate announcement webpage on NSE website. Staying up to date with corporate announcement is crucial for some of the traders and investors. So they typically follow this particular page to understand news about earning reports, mergers and acquisitions, or regulatory filings, because all of these have a direct impact on the price of the stock. Although I do not directly use this data in any of my algos, I've seen some of my friends use it extensively. They use it either for sentiment analysis, or sometimes they even have event-driven trading strategies based on corporate announcements. So they use that for that purpose. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the utility, which can download this particular information using Python. And let me quickly walk you through the code now. As usual, I'll provide the link to where this particular code is available. It's available on our community website, FabTrader.in. This is the main utility file, the class file where all the utility functions are defined, methods are defined. And this is the sample program on how to get corporate announcement data, right? So as usual, you import the NSE utility, which is this file, and then you create an instance of the NSE utility called the NSE. And then you can use NSE and then invoke this method, which is get corporate announcements. And then when you run it, it downloads whatever you see on the website. So it also provides you a link, and if you click it, it opens up that PDF for the announcement. This is one way of doing it, or if you want to, when you run this, it runs for the last 1 month, with the default period of 1 month. But if you want it for a specific period, then you can provide the start and the end date, and then it'll download all announcements that were done between these two time frame, and you'll have the output in a pandas data frame. So you can use this utility. For example, you can have a small script that will run this at the end of every day and then extract all announcements for that particular day and either send it to your Telegram account, or you could send it even to your email on a daily basis. So you can do it that way. If you want me to kind of do that for you, maybe show you in one video how to do that, please leave a comment and then I'll definitely try and get that done. So that's pretty much it for this video. I have a few more enhancements that I've done for this utility, which I'll be covering in the videos to come. I hope you like this. If there are any comments, feedbacks, or suggestions, please do leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. If you genuinely found this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And I will see you soon in another video. And until then, take care and happy trading.